You're gone and I gotta stay.
Barbara Windsor Alzheimer's disease diagnosis triggers flood of donations to find cure. The decision by husband Scott, 55, to reveal the plight of the 80-year-old actress has had a huge impact on charities caring for sufferers. Donations to the Alzheimer's Society shot up by 30 within 24 hours, and visits to the Society's website have doubled. Chief Executive Jeremy Hughes described the public reaction to Barbara's diagnosis as instant and impressive. He said, "There are 850,000 people living with dementia in the UK. Too many of them face dementia in silence and isolation. Barbara is a much-loved figure, and by sharing her experiences she is already encouraging others to seek the help and information they need. She has galvanized so many people to talk about the condition, and to shine a light on what we can all do to help people with dementia." Mr. Hughes added, Scott's insistence that people accept Barbara and her dementia to enable her to continue living her life is a powerful one, and one we absolutely endorse. Scott, who has been with Barbara for 25 years and married for 18, said he made the decision to go public about her plight after her condition deteriorated rapidly in the past few weeks. He says the Carry On and EastEnders legend does not even remember they are married. Scott branded the disease as cruel but felt he could no longer keep it a secret. May 21 to 27 is Dementia Action Week. For more information or to donate online, visit alzheimers.org.uk.